Hey, it's Nick right here again. And guess what? It's time for another Fluffy Dog moment. But but where is the choky chicken? Do you see the choky chicken? Do you see the choky chicken? It's Loki. He's gone. He disappeared. He's not coming back. And you're not allowed to not hump the chicken. So don't start. What? What's going on? He goes Simon. What? I thought he disappeared. He's No! Oh God! He told me the chicken again. You sicko! Fluffy Dog, stop it! Let go! Let go! Time to let go! Let go, Fluffy Doggy! Thank you! Don't you dare do that again. Okay, we have a new feature on the Fluffy Doggy. We'll get you his glasses on. It's Professor Fluffy Doggy asking our question today on YouTube. Professor Fluffy Doggy, are you ready for your first question? Well, we don't have a thing to ask you a question. What's your first question today? Fluffy Doggy? Do you like to choke a chicken? Give me yes or no. Oh, he likes to choke the chicken. Oh, that's amazing. Do you like to do it? No, I don't think so. Moving on to the next question. Do you know what's 1 plus 1? Huh? 2! You're right! That was the answer. I got a third question for you. Yes, indeed. Third question. Now you gotta spell something. Spell choke. Come on, Fluffy Doggy. Spell choke. You gotta speak. This is the third question. If you get it right, you win the chicken. Oh, what? Oh, okay. C-H-O-C-K. Choke. Wrong. Lose. What's going on? Professor Fluffy Doggy in the... Oh, shit. God damn it again. Double. Get off. I'm telling him off. No more. Get off. Oh, God damn it again. Oh, he wanted to punch that chicken. Oh. Oh, smack that. Oh. Oh, leave it. Leave it. Oh, no. Oh, don't do that. Fluffy Dog, stop. Fluffy Dog. Oh. You knock him out. That shuts him up. And that's another side as a Fluffy Dog. He just hurt that chicken. I thought you were going to choke him. Now he's not going to hump anymore. He did something new. He punched a few punches and then he kicked the chicken. Kick him out. Thank you. Amazing. And that's it, the Fluffy Doggy Show. Like to see the Fluffy Doggy? Would like to see more episodes of the Fluffy Doggy? To get another exciting adventure of the Fluffy Doggy. Might choke the chicken again? We let you know. See you later, buddy. Don't choke that chicken, Fluffy Doggy. Professor Fluffy Doggy. You like how he wears the glasses? Wait, I'll do it again. I'll do it for 1 month for Fluffy Doggy. Oh, he's going to wave goodbye. Okay, ready, bye-bye. He's ready, bye-bye. Look, he's ready, bye-bye. Okay, show's over, Fluffy. Thanks for watching. I'll have another expo later tonight, 5th expo. Professor Fluffy Dog will be back. I'll ask more questions for the 5th expo. Can he answer that? He didn't spell choking correctly. I'll have math questions, barely. Yeah, more math. Yes, Fluffy Doggy. Fluffy Doggy's going to have his first expo tonight. Oh, just like to give you a little update. Fluffy's going to go live today. Well, not yet. If I was going to do a live show, I was going to start a 3. I'll do a short quick, fast show. But I don't have time because I gotta get leave by 3. Sorry, because I gotta pick up you know who. So Fluffy Doggy's gotta leave. Say bye, 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 bye. Okay, okay.